If you're a more mature entrepreneur and you're super busy personally and professionally, but you know that organic content marketing can be super powerful right now if you embrace publishing Instagram Reels, ideally one a day. But you're like, look, another thing to put on my to-do list? Should I bother, or is this Instagram Reels thing just hype? Well, then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video titled, Can Instagram Reels Be Worth It for an Entrepreneur? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, when it comes to Instagram Reels being worth it for you to create and publish at least one a day, the short answer is short term, yes, of course. As of 2022, Instagram CEO Adam Mosseri came right out and told the world about the top 4 priorities for the company. And at the very top of that list, Instagram Reels. Right now, short term, out of anything that you create, Instagram Reels is going to get the best algorithmic advantage, meaning it's more likely to be pushed out into the feeds of your followers and more likely to appear on the Explore page at all and or for a longer period of time. And you know what's definitely going on when it comes to the Explore page? At least right now, Reels get much more real estate on the Explore page, meaning they're bigger and longer than traditional feed posts, carousels, even Instagram TV videos, formerly known as IGTV videos. So seriously, yes, create Instagram Reels one a day at a minimum. They're currently only able to go up to a minute or 60 seconds time anyway, and you'll be happy to know that the less production value on these pieces of content right now, the better. Meaning, don't shoot content on your camera roll and then edit it in like iMovie or something more powerful with like a ton of crazy special effects and whatnot. Number 1, you don't have the time for it. Number 2, you don't need to. At least right now you don't. Instagram rewards you for finishing up your Instagram Reel in the editor itself. So if you want to layer in music, sound effects, or augmented reality like filters and special effects, use those and be done with it. Nice and easy. Plus, you may very well get some extra algorithmic boost over and above what you'd get for playing with Instagram's own in-house toys. They're getting use, and you're staying longer on the platform yourself anyway as a user. And of course, the Instagram AI or artificial intelligence that rules the platform, well, it loves that. Now, what's my answer for long-term use of Reels? Well, long-term? Very likely still yes. Here's why I believe this to be true. You know, I get it. A few years ago, Instagram TV or IGTV was new. Everyone was waxing rhapsodic about it. And yes, if you created such a video, it was likely getting some nice algorithmic boost into the feeds of your followers and pushed out into the Explore pages of those who should be your followers based upon their content consumption patterns. But aren't yet. Then IGTV seemed to fizzle and Instagram's kind of trying to jumpstart it again. But, you know, Instagram Reels is on that top 4 list I showed you, and it's at the top of that list, not IGTV. So why do I think that long-term Instagram Reels will not likely suffer the same fate? Because Instagram had no choice but to roll out Reels hard and fast as against TikTok, because that app took the world by storm. And if Instagram didn't roll out Reels, it would have suffered at some point what I call MySpace disease and would have become irrelevant. I don't think TikTok's going anywhere anytime soon. Do you? So Instagram Reels will have to remain a thing for Instagram and its parent company, Meta, to the point where you can now share Instagram Reels to Facebook. Plus, you get 2,200 characters for a caption on Instagram versus a caption so short it's less than the size of a Twitter tweet on TikTok. How many hashtags can you use for an Instagram Reel? Up to 30 if you wish. It has to fit in the caption though. For TikTok, it's whatever you can fit into that teeny tiny caption you're allowed. So Instagram's trying to stack the deck to stay competitive with TikTok, if not win the game when it comes to short form video content. So I don't see this changing in the foreseeable future. What I do see, at some point over time, Instagram will sunset or slowly reduce that extra algorithmic boost that each reel gets that I mentioned earlier. So if I were you, my new goal when it comes to organic content marketing is to publish a reel a day, because a reel will very likely bring your account activity like you would have seen 7 years or so ago or longer. Don't you deserve that extra advantage? You know you do. So now I want to hear from you. Will you be more open to publishing an Instagram reel a day now? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the issue of, can Instagram Reels be worth it for an entrepreneur? Need more help? Be sure to check out these 2 awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy!